Hi everyone, it's Sarah again. I wanted to do another video on my ancestry results, but this time looking at dna.land, which is another website that you can actually upload your 23andMe results to. It's a very interesting tool that can give you some more insight in terms of what your results are, or your ancestry results are. And this one I think was a little bit better than 23andMe in the sense that it gave me a better idea of what percentage of my DNA is actually North African, and what part of it is Egyptian. But I'm a little bit disappointed with how it doesn't break down the Arabian and the Egyptian. So I don't know what my Arabian percentage is on this specific tool. For those of you who are not aware, my paternal side is Arabian, but further back. And our Y DNA, or my brother, I should say my brother and my father's Y DNA, is J1E. And I do share a lot of DNA with specifically Saudi Arabians, based on, joining the J1 project with Family Tree DNA. Yes, I did also get my DNA tested with them, and specifically my brothers, to find a little bit more about our father's side. So finding a little bit more about our Arabian side is very important to me, being that it's that my direct paternal line. But here, as you can see, I'm 86% West Eurasian and 14% African, 78% Arab Egyptian. One thing that I'm seeing a lot of in most of these tests, or in all of them actually, is Jewish DNA. That was kind of surprising to me in the beginning. I didn't see any Ashkenazi in my 23andMe results, but I think based on what I had learned from a Coptic friend of mine, is that a lot of Copts have a lot of Jewish DNA in them. Egyptians in general, I'm sure, have a lot of Jewish DNA in them. There was a big Jewish community in Egypt, and Jews and Egyptians have a long history together. But I was also told that Copts specifically are descendants of a lot of Jews, and mixed with a lot of Jews, because the first Christians in Egypt, after St. Mark had come to preach Christianity in Egypt, the first Christians were Jewish. So a lot of people believe that we're descendants of Jewish people who lived in Egypt at the time of when Christianity came. So that's probably why there's, some Jewish showing up there. North African, 12%. I'm guessing, I don't know of any North Africans in my family, but I'm guessing that's probably mostly Libyan, given that Libya is a neighbor of ours, and almost 2% East African, which is lower than what I thought it was going to be, given that my GED match results show around 7 to 8% Sub-Saharan African. But yeah, that's it. These are my results. Again, I always welcome comments and any insight from you guys. So yeah, thanks.